Rasta Boy Society. Yeah, yeah. It's Island. Yeah. Been watching you for a very, very long time. My eyes on you. It's Islandboy. Give thanks for your loving. You are the realest girl. Even without money, you're enjoying my world. Okay guys, so right now we're going for a walk. Me and my lady.
Hi.
Yeah. We're going to Boston Beach. And just look at the view, guys.
Should have a speaker on.
Yeah. You, why in it?
I like the Rasta collar.
He's following us. You, sir. Come here. Where your name?
I'll leave it in your bag.
What then call you? Yeah, Rasta dog. Look at this dog. Hey. Okay guys, so we're about to go in the water.
Let's go.
We're at Boston Beach, guys. It's a vibe. Let's go. Ready, baby? On the waves. Woo! Gotta go. Ah. Jesus, what you saying? It's Islandboy. Water's nice. Love it?
Love it, baby.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Sweet. Love it too. Yes. Living our best life.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
enjoying every moment.
Yeah. Relationship goals. You survive.
One love.
So, are you loving Jamaica so far?
I'm loving Jamaica.
Yeah?
Absolutely beautiful.
Great.
Yeah.
Nice place.
Loving the place.
The land that you've always dreamt of.
Yes. It's been a long time I've been dreaming of coming here.
Yeah.
And finally, I have made it. And
Yeah.
only not just because I wanted to come here, but I met someone very special.
Yeah.
He's behind this camera. He's my king.
Yeah.
All right, so we got people here on the beach. You know, people are just chilling out. We've been in the water for like 2 hours already. We love it here. It's beautiful.
Let me show you your wrist.
On my wrist.
Yeah. It's on your neck, it's on your wrist.
Oh, it says like magnet ones.
Yeah.
Okay. I feel that. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. That's beautiful.
And look, you can do this. Can be an anklet. And you can put it on your ankle.
I like this one. The sea's nice. It's a little bit dirty at the forefront here, but if you get closer, it kind of gets clean. Well, you want to hope it does. Go, baby. I'm gonna tape you.
Here he comes. La 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 la. Yesterday. What's up, YouTube? Don't know it's Islandboy right here, guys. So we're at the Boston Beach, guys. You know, Me and my lady having a good time. Yeah. On a Friday. It's Friday morning, guys. Yeah. Enjoying the water, you know. Yeah, so I really love this place, you know. It's my hometown. You get me? Yeah, man. This is Portland, Jamaica, guys. You should definitely come check it out. Check out the famous Blue Lagoon. Yeah, we went there yesterday. It was pretty awesome. You know, went rafting and stuff and swim out in the blue hole, and yeah, that was fun. So yeah, it's a vibe, you know. And my lady's here for 2 weeks. You know, I wish it was longer, but yeah, we're having a good time. You know, so yeah, nice vibes. Smasa. Yeah, man. Say thank you, Father. I'm grateful to be alive. Woke up this morning and all I could do was smile. I'm loving this beautiful world. Yeah, man. This is the vibe, guys. Sorry for all you guys stuck in winter right now. But this is the vibe right now. I'm sending the tropical vibe to you guys. Yeah, man. Mad thing. Let's go now.
Around here. Huh? You're going to really love it. You're no good, you're no good.
That's right. We have to have a good heart.
Me too.
For real.
Yeah.
I was very patient, you know. I tell one of my guys, I bet you these people are coming back.
Yeah, man, for
They
sure.
told me not today. Yeah. You don't know nothing.
For real. Gonna take a swim out there?
Yeah, baby.
Yesterday, so at the Blue Lagoon, guys, in Babe.